Hi, it's Dr. Robinson, and today I'm going to show you how to take your default, which I have set at Edge, and visually you can see that the majority, well, all of my icons are Edge except for one, because I just want one particular program to open in Chrome all the time. And I'm going to show you how to set this default. So I have a Word document open, and you're going to see C:\program files /Google /Chrome /application /Chrome.exe. And that is the first part of locating the browser item that you want. So I'm going to go ahead and open File Explorer and take you through that setup if you're just not quite sure how to find which browser item that you want. I'm going to go ahead and Windows E. So I have Windows E open, and let's go ahead and remember the path name, which was Alt-D, C:. Remember, Alt-D or Control-L will work. And your files automatically start populating. You can remember program files, but it's going to be so much easier to just do down arrow to program files and hit enter. Once program files are open, then of course we want to find Google. So you're just going to hit G until you find Google, and you're going to hit enter. And your path name is building in your Alt-D. Now I want Chrome, so I'm going to hit spacebar on Chrome and hit enter. And the next part I want is the application, so I'm going to hit spacebar on application and enter. At this point, you have to stop. You're going to down arrow and you're going to see Chrome.exe. Well, if you hit enter on that, it's going to open. So you just have to remember Chrome.exe. You're going to Alt-D, and you're going to copy that, and of course it becomes C:\program files /Google /Chrome /application. You just have to memorize that because you're going to make a hotkey for that. So I'm going to Alt F4 and get out. Now I'm going to go ahead and make an icon for that. On my desktop, you can already see I have made my icon for that. But oh yeah, I should have copied that out. So I would have done Alt-D and then just Control-C to copy that. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that. Now, keep it in mind, I did copy Chrome.exe, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how to. So you can Windows M, you're going to hit your applications key, you're going to go down to new, you're going to go down to shortcut, hit enter, you're going to paste that in. Now, where you've pasted that in, you won't have Chrome.exe yet, so I'm just going to backspace over that. So we can start out with, you did Alt-D, you copied it, you got your program files, Google, Chrome, application, backspace. Now, you're going to go ahead and put your exe in there, okay? And you're going to hit enter. And Chrome.exe, you can call it Chrome, but I highly suggest change it to the name that you want. Right now, I'm just going to hit enter on Chrome.exe, so it will be different than my other one. You want to go ahead and Windows M. You want to actually select your Chrome. And now you want to Alt Enter. You're going to find what you actually want. Well, if you don't remember the path name that you want, the easiest way to do that is go ahead and just hit enter in Open Chrome and then find what you want. Okay, here we go. Let me move it over. Well, Desmos.com/calculator is by default set up in my Google already. You can type in whatever you want. You're going to Alt-D, and you're going to actually copy that. Now, if Alt-D doesn't work, Control-L will work, Control-C to copy. So now you've got that. I'm going to Control-W and close. Okay, and I'm back to my desktop. So now when you select Chrome.exe, you're going to go ahead and do Alt Enter. And your target path name populates. So now I'm going to hit right arrow to unselect that wonderful path name that you have. Make sure you right arrow to really make sure you're at the end, and you're going to hit a space, and you're going to hit a quote, and then you're going to paste that in, do another quote, and that allows me to go ahead anytime I want to use Desmos in Google Chrome. I can now. You can Alt-A to apply that, or you can just hit enter. I'm going to Alt-A. I'm going to hit enter and close. And now when I go to that, Windows M, of course, It's going to still say Chrome EXE. Do we really want it to say that? No. I'm going to hit F2. I already have Desmos down there, so I'm going to name this Des. Of course, you want to name it the whole name. And I'm going to hit enter and open it, and voila, it opens perfectly in Desmos.com calculator. So that's how you can have your defaults all set up for everything else that you want to utilize, but maybe you just want to use a different a different browser for something else. And that is how you locate that. So of course, if you want something else, you're going to go back to C colon File Explorer, Windows E, C colon, and then backslash program files, and then find what program you actually want to manipulate. You might want to manipulate Edge if you have selected Chrome as your default. Anyway, that's how you can have just one or two browsers in a particular browser, and you can have others in another browser. You can have as many as you want. So that is how you do that. Hope that helps, and we'll talk to you later in the next lesson.